Oh, you see it? Bro, this thing is really rough. Look at this. I'm gonna have to sand all of this, all these grooves, to make them smooth and get rid of all these imperfections, all this. This thing is a lot of work, bro. Bring me the box that's over there with the long box. That's where the DRLs are. These are the Evo R, bro. Shit is nice. So I already, like I told you, I tried them and they look pretty good, but you see this? That lip, I'm gonna have to shave that lip.
I would try that.
So that this fits. Hold it from the back. You see? It doesn't, it's hidden this. I have to trim all this so that this fits in here. No, it doesn't go in from the front. It only goes in from the back, because this bolts onto the back. It has, look.
No, I think this is supposed to go to the front.
Yeah, but see, it's supposed to mount here and here. There is no way to put it in through like that, man. And once I trim all this is gonna fit perfect in the hole.
This thing's a lot bigger than this. I guess if you get like a original bumper, yeah, like,
of course, it's meant to go on the original bumper. Listen, it's gonna need some trimming, but I'll make it work. Basically, what I want to do today is do those mounting points on the top.
Okay. Yeah, it fits better, but
You gotta.
I don't think you have to trim much.
You know what I should do? What?
Plug it in with my battery.
See how it looks? We'll check it out. Come on, let's go check it out.
You gotta lose this thing. I don't think it's gonna reach.
Whoa. Do you see it?
Yeah, we gotta do that at night. Cuidado.
You can still see it. Hold this. Oh my god, man, that's nice. They're really bright. Really bright. That's the signal.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. So we're gonna have to wire this into the headlamps so that it works with the turn signals.
Yeah, I guess.
Beautiful. We're gonna have to go get some brushes. I don't have any brushes. That's a nice motorcycle, bro. Single turbo.
My friend had one in Orlando. They had twin turbo on.
Yeah.
What year is it?
93.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Okay, that was insane. That's what happens every time we go for a drive on the Supra. Let's go back to work and finish these mounting points on the bumper for the Nismo. All right, guys, that's gonna be all for now. The fiberglass is gonna have to drive. We're gonna take a break for today, and then when we come back to this, we're gonna do the same process that we did on the side skirts. We're gonna fine tune it and get it ready for paint. Guys, don't miss any videos. We have great things coming in. We have a box that just came in the mail for the 370 that is gonna be fun. So please stay tuned, subscribe, and follow the channel. And we're gonna keep pumping out great content. We have videos coming up with the Supra, with the Genesis, and with the 370Z. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Also, feel free to comment on the videos. We welcome any type of feedback. We want to hear what you have to say. And if you have anything that you want to see us do on the 370, on the Genesis, or on the Supra, please let us know. We're gonna go ahead and get to work on that.